My name's Harry Bass, repair technician at Magicman. Magicman's a really good company in terms of, they're very helpful when called upon, and it's more so the opportunities that you can get. When I started, I was 18, now being 24. I've been all over the world, I've learnt the skills that I can keep forever. So they've looked after me in that sense, and they've given me something I can carry forward. You name it, I've been there. Antarctica, Brazil, Greece, Southampton, Bahamas. Been all over the world with Magicman really so far. Gave us a bit more sort of versatility across the board rather than specialising. As for me, I come from a French polishing background, so it means you can do your baths, your tiles, gives you a bit more of an array of knowledge to be able to use that in the field. So that's one of the pluses to the job is it's a complete variety. So it could be construction based for a few days, it could be insurance based, or it could be domestic. So again, it keeps you on your toes, and every day is different. Expect a lot of challenges, and expect you're going to have to be versatile in the job. There's never one right way to skin a cat in this job. There's many ways, and it's learning to deal with situations on the spot and on the fly, and in that way learning to become better as a repair technician.